Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm back here on the Norwegian Getaway. My first day of sailing on this ship, and this afternoon we had a sail away party, and tonight it's a welcome aboard party. So I'm going to head upstairs and see what that looks like. Come on with me. As some of you probably know by now, I'm staying in the studio lounges, or the studio cabins here on the Norwegian Getaway. Has its own studio lounge as well. It's my first time on a ship, so I thought I'd go the solo route. Next time I'll probably get a balcony. But again, my first time on a ship, and this is a great ship. It's been around for about 10 years already, so it's a little up there in its age as far as ships are concerned, but they had a recent renovation, I'm going to say 5 or 6 years ago. Not sure how accurate these numbers are, but ship's in really good shape, and it's very big. Holds about 6,000 passengers, plus about 1,500 crew, I think. Anyway, enough with the statistics. Let's go party.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on board we have two amazing DJs. The DJ that is joining us today all the way from the Philippines. Give it up for DJ Vito! That's right, DJ Vito. Getting ready to party with us. And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Will. I'm your assistant cruise director, and I would not be able to be here if it weren't for the best boss in the world. She's right over there hiding. Give it up for your cruise director, Denise! Come on, Denise, show us what you got. Come on, run. Here she comes. She's taught us everything we know. Show us, Denise. Here we go.
Once again, they may not be dancing to the beat because I'm playing music to drown out their music for copyright issues, so that's that. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, The Shops at Wynn. Congratulations, Robert. So as I said earlier in the video, there were two parties today. One was the sail away party, which was earlier this morning, or this afternoon I should say. And that video is available already here on the New York channel. And then there was this party that same day during the evening called the Welcome Aboard Party. Not very well attended, obviously, as you can see here. And I'm beginning to think that people are just trying to settle into the ship. With regards to unpacking and getting to know the ship and their first dinner on the ship. So, as you'll see in future parties here on the New York channel, they are more and more heavily attended as the cruise goes on. So it looks like the welcome aboard party is pretty much the same thing as the sail away party they had this afternoon. Different songs, same crew, but it looks like not as many people here tonight as it was this afternoon. Perhaps all those afternoon people are sleeping off all their drinks that they had all day. But I'm going to head downstairs shortly and check out Sid Norman's Poorhouse. I don't know if they have a live band tonight or not, but it's a place that I've been wanting to check out. So we'll check that out shortly. Just a little bit more up here and then we'll head down there. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And don't forget to hit that thanks button if you'd like to help support the New York channel. Thank you so much. Alrighty, we're heading downstairs now to Sid Norman's Poorhouse. Not much is going on inside of Sid Norman's right now. I think everyone's sleeping off a hangover. It was quite a party day, the first day here on the ship. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow night. They have live bands and stuff there, so that'll be another video. I'm right across from La Cocina, the Italian restaurant here on the Norwegian Getaway as well. So I hope you enjoyed the sail away party, and stay tuned for more videos from the Norwegian Getaway. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.